Welcome sa zip9.com. This video ay tutuloy natin yung ating series about operations on polynomial expressions. No? Kung sinusundan nyo yung series natin ay napag-aralan natin yung addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And nagsimula na rin tayo ng series natin on polynomial, on division. No? In this video ay magsimula tayo ng division ng binomial by a monomial, no? So, sa mga susunod na videos ay mas didiscuss pa natin yung mga mas complicated na division. But for this video ay ang gagawin natin is to discuss division of binomial by monomial. So, dito yung ating first example. We have 4x squared y plus 8x divided by 2x, no? So, alam natin na pag diba, a divided by b is the same as a times 1 over b, no? Ibig sabihin, pwede nating gawing multiplication yan. Magiging 4x squared y plus 8x. Magiging times 1 over 2x, no? And pag meron ng multiplication, pwede na natin siya bidistributive property, no? Distribute na natin yung 1 over 2x dito. Magiging equal to 4x squared y, no? Times 1 over 2x. Diba pag 4x squared y times 1 over 2x, ang nangyayari dyan is yung whole number ay meron siyang denominator naman. So if we multiply this, tsaka this, magiging 4x squared y yung product ng numerator, tsaka 2x yung product ng denominator. So 2x plus 8x over 2x then. So, ganun din dito, 8x times 1, tapos may over 1 tayo dito. And then, 2x times 1, maging 8x over 2x. So, this is just a, ano na to, division of monomials na to, di ba? So, ang pinaka common factor natin, greatest common factor ng 4 tsaka 2, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Tapos, yung x squared natin is x times x, no? Tapos, meron na tayong x sa baba. And then, we have a y. Yan yung unang term natin. And then, the second term is we have, we can cancel this out, yung x. Tapos, we are left with 8 over 2, which is equal to 4, no? Tapos ito, ang x tsaka x, mag-cancel din natin yan, magiging 1 yan. So, magiging 2x times 1 times y is equal to 2xy. Yung nasa taas natin, yung numerator. This is equal to 2xy over 1 plus 4, no? Which is equal to 2xy divided by 1 is 2xy. And then, we have 4. So, ito na yung pinaka-sagot natin. Medyo nagdetalye lang tayo dito, no? Kasi nire-relate natin yung division sa multiplication, no? Because if we divide a number by another number, we're actually multiplying the reciprocal, no, of the divisor, no? So yung divisor, kinukuha natin yung reciprocal, tapos minumultiply natin dun sa isang number din. Okay? So, dito hindi na tayo masyado maging detalye, no? Kasi masyado siyang time-consuming. But we can actually skip, no, yung method na ginawa natin, which is ito yung turning or converting division to multiplication, no? Yung binura ko dito from the previous video yan. So, dito magiging equal to, pwede na natin idiretso, no? Divide natin yung both terms by 5ab. But before we do that, kung napapansin nyo sa mga previous videos natin, ginagawa nating addition yung subtraction, no? Ibig sabihin, if we have an a minus b, we convert it to a plus negative b. No? Now, the reason for this is mas convenient siya kasi mas nadidistinguish natin yung subtraction sign tsaka yung negative, no? So, maganda yan, gawin yung habit yan that every time na meron kayong nakikitang subtraction, convert it to addition. So here we convert first. We have 10a cubed b to the fourth magiging plus negative 5a squared b, no? So gawin na nating square bracket para hindi nakakalito, no? And then sabi natin sa previous example, we turn this into multiplication by getting the reciprocal of 5 over ab, diba? Of 5ab, no? So magiging 1 over 5ab, tapos i-multiply natin dito, no? Pero pag shortcut natin yan, magiging 10a cubed b to the fourth, no? By skipping the multiplication, we have 5ab. And then plus negative, yung negative pwede na natin siya igitna, or pwede naman sa taas. Negative 5ab o 5a squared b divided by 5ab. So simplifying, we have, I think obviously nakikita nyo na pag may tatlo tayo dito na a, tapos may isa tayong a, ang natitira na lang ay dalawang a dito, which is a squared, di ba? O dalawang a. Dalawang a means a times a, di ba? So, anyway, we just do what we did in the previous example. So, 10 at saka 5, ang greatest common divisor natin ay 5. So, 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then yung a cubed, gawin natin siyang a squared times a. Kasi may a tayo sa baba. Para pwede tayo mag-cancel. And then ang b to the fourth, gawin din natin siyang b cubed times b. No? Para pwede rin tayo mag-cancel. Para pwede natin mag-cancel. And then we have plus negative 5 at saka 5. Anong common divisor nila? 5, pwede, greatest common divisor. So, negative 5 divided by negative 5 is negative 1. Tapos, yung a squared natin, pwede natin siya gawing a times a. Kasi meron tayong a sa baba. And then, yung b at saka b, pwede na natin i-cancel. No? So, this becomes, alin ang pwede natin cancel? Yung a, magiging 1. Yung a, magiging 1. That is divided by a. No? A divided by a is 1. A divided by a is 1. Ganun dito, b. We divide both the numerator and the denominator by b. This one, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by a. So, 1. Tapos yung b rin dito. No? So, what do we have left? We have 2a squared times 1 times b cubed times 1, which is equal to 2a squared b cubed over 1, and then plus, ano nangyari dito? Puro 1 na lang natira dito, di ba? Tapos yung a. So, negative 1 times 1 times 1 times a is negative a over 1. Okay? So, ang 2a squared b cubed over 1 ay, syempre, 2a squared b cubed. And then, ang negative a over 1 ay, syempre, negative a. Okay? And, sabi natin, pag final answer na, kung meron tayong plus negative, gawin na natin siyang minus, no? Para mas nababawasan yung ating mga symbols. So, 2a squared b cubed minus a. Yan ang pinakasagot natin. Okay, that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Gusto ko invite sa zipline.com yung ating website. At kung kayo ay nanonood sa YouTube, no, pwede kayo mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Pwede kayo mag-like, no? Like yung mga videos. Pwede kayo mag-comment. At syempre, mas maganda kung i-share nyo din sa mga friends ninyo, no? Dapat, hindi lang kayo natututo. Dapat yung mga kaibigan nyo rin, no? Okay? I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. See you in the next tutorial.